Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to transfer Tether, that's USDT, from Bitrue to MetaMask in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to manage your assets or a seasoned trader optimizing your wallet, this is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitrue account with some USDT in it and MetaMask installed on your device. If you haven't already, download MetaMask from the official website and create or import a wallet. Remember, in 2025, always double-check for the latest security updates to protect your funds. Step 1. Open your MetaMask app or extension and ensure it's connected to the Ethereum network, since USDT is an ERC20 token. Once you're in, go to your wallet overview and copy your wallet address. This is the key to sending your Tether safely. Treat it like your digital bank account number. Next, log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your USDT balance. Click on Withdraw for USDT. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste the MetaMask wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees or minimum limits, which might have changed by 2025, so glance at Bitrue's updated fee structure. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps for extra security. After you submit, you'll see a transaction confirmation on Bitrue. This might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your MetaMask app. Once the transfer is complete, your USDT should appear in your MetaMask wallet. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Bitrue to MetaMask in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying updated on blockchain best practices. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.